Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Z Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you the best online color tools for graphic design. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about graphic design, either Illustrator, Photoshop, and Corel Draw, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me. Okay. So let's go straight into the tutorial. So like I said earlier, guys, I'm going to teach you best online color tools that will help you in your graphic design. So if you are the type that find it difficult to choose the right color for your design, or you don't, you always get confused when it comes to issue of color psychology in graphic. Whether you are using Corel Draw or you are using Illustrator or you are using Photoshop, you always have issue when you are trying to select color. This video is going to help you a lot. All you have to do is to walk step by step and see how you can pick color from those websites, use it for your graphic without any stress. So let's get started. So the first website I'm going to show you guys right here this is the site URL. So colorhot.co. So that's the name of the first website I'm going to show you guys. Then how the site actually works. Immediately you log into the site, you are going to see a variety of color palettes, just like what you see on the screen right here. And from here, you can pick any color of your choice. But nevertheless, you can scroll down and see more variety color, just like what you see right here. There are a lot of colors here that you can use for your design. There are 3 color, 4 color, etc. So if you are not satisfied with the current one right here, you can come here and choose from this tab. From this tab here, you can choose good color. So when you select any color of your choice you are looking for, it's going to load up, and then you see a variety color of that particular point. Okay, here we have a color that can be generated good from, just like all these things you see right here. And then every time they add more color to this website, you can see this one right here was added 5 days ago. So you can see it is an updated website. It's not a site that is not really update. So you can see more color that you can use to combine. So let's, for instance, you are trying to design something that has to do with color, good color. You can pick color from this point here, and you can actually scroll down and see more and more and more color as far as this particular color website is concerned. Now, when you are able to see the actual color you need for your design, how do you copy the color and use it for your graphic? So that's the next thing I'm going to show you guys in this video. So when you have to hover your mouse to whatever color you want to pick, all right? So each time you hover your mouse over the color, you are going to see the color code. All you have to do is to copy the color code. So let's, for instance, I want to copy this color code. Just click once, then when you click once, you see copied. So which simply means that you have successfully copied the color code of this particular color here. So you can go to your Adobe Photoshop. So you can as well use this color in Corel Draw or Illustrator, whichever way. So in this example, I'm going to show you guys how you can use it in Photoshop. So the next thing, when you open up your Photoshop, you can use it for shape style, custom shape, or text. Okay. Here I have a rectangle shape already in my Adobe Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is to change this particular color here with the one I just copied from the website. Okay. So what you're going to do is to come right here, and you have to double click on the shape thumbnail. So when you double click on the shape thumbnail, it's going to pop up where you see colorway. So from colorway, you'll be able to come down here. You come here and make sure you click on here and press Ctrl A, then delete the initial color, then press Ctrl V to paste the color you are able to copy from the website. So once you are done, then you have to come to the top right here and click on OK. So with that, we are able to copy the color code successfully. So if you go back to the site, you can see this is the color we are able to copy. Let's, for instance, I want to copy this particular one right here. So you can just copy it and go back to your Adobe Photoshop, and we can make a duplicate of this one right here. Control J, Control T to open a transform tool, and we can resize this one right here. Okay, press enter key on my keyboard, and then I can come here to change the color. You double click on the shape thumbnail. So when you double click on the shape thumbnail, the color wheel is going to pump up. Then we paste the color code right here. Okay, so here is the color wheel. So we have to come right here, down right here, and we click on this point right here, and we press Ctrl A to select that particular current color code. Then we delete that one and press Ctrl V to paste the color code we are able to copy from the side. Then come here and click on OK. So you can see that we are able to copy the two color code successfully, right? So this is what I want to show you guys as far as Color Hut is concerned. So here it is the website's URL. So colorhut.co, that's the website. So another one I'm going to show you guys here is what we call colors.com. Okay, this particular website here is also useful for color in graphics. So you can scroll down and explore more color as far as this is concerned. There are many colors that you can use for your design. As far as this website is concerned, you can as well copy. Let's say I'm interested in copy this these two type of red, or I'm starting from this dark red. Let's say I'm starting from this dark red here. You copy, and then you go back to your Photoshop. Then I'm going to select the bottom shape. I will come here now and double click on the layer thumbnail. So double click on the layer thumbnail, the color wheel is going to pump up. Then come right here, Control A, then delete the current one, then Control V to paste the color we are able to copy from the site. Then you come to at the top here, click on OK to accept. So you can see we have successfully copied the color code from this particular website right here, which is colorhut.com. Okay, that's a website. Then the next one I'm going to show you guys without wasting much of our time is what we call colors.co. Okay, colors.co. What this site also do, it helps you guys to generate a unique color for your design as far as this particular website is concerned. Immediately you log into the website, this is how it's going to look like. All you have to do is to come right here and click on Explore Trending Palettes. So I click on the Explore Trending Palette, it takes you to another page whereby you see a variety of color that you can use the code and use the color for your design. Okay, so let's see. All right, guys, so you can see we have successfully landed in a new page that has to do with trending color palettes as far as this particular website is concerned, which is colors. Okay, and here you can scroll down and see more color. You don't need to register or sign in before you can copy color from this particular website. It's just the same way we copy from the previous website. Just over your mouse all over the color, and then pick on the copy the color code here you are interested to use for your design. Look at the very nice color right here. You can just copy any one of your choice. So you can see each time you move your mouse, you're going to see the color code just like what you see right here. You can copy it and use it for your design. And mind you, you can as well save all this color to your Adobe Photoshop or to your so stuff like this. Just you see the color code, and then you can just click on the color code to copy. Once you copy it, then you can use it for your design. So let's move to another website I have for you guys. So this one right here is designshark.net. So this is the website URL. Here, what makes this site different from other color websites is that this particular site here, they will give you color code, and at the same time they will use the color code to make a design, just like what you see right here. Just take a look at this thumbnail right here. So this thumbnail was designed with these two particular color right here. So it helps you guys to know how you can manage or how you can match color together in your graphic without any stress. So you can as well copy the color code. All you have to do is to click on the color you want to copy the code, press Ctrl A to just highlight the portion of area you want to copy, then Ctrl C to copy the color. Then you can as well go to your Adobe Photoshop or your Illustrator. Let's say I'm using it for this one here. Double click on the layer thumbnail. This is a color wheel is going to come up and come right here. Ctrl A to select everything. So alright guys, so another one I would like to show you guys without wasting much of our time is what we call usnap.com. Okay, that's the website URL. On this website, there are a lot of color palettes, just like what you see right here on the screen. You can scroll down and exploit as many as possible color as far as this site is concerned. For you to get the color code, all you have to do is to hover your mouse all over the color of your choice. Then you begin to see the sliding of the color code. When you want to copy the color code, you can just click on copy and you just highlight the portion you want to copy, and then you copy it and use it for your design. There are many thousands of colors right here that you can use for your design without any stress. I believe this is going to help you guys much in your design as far as graphic is concerned. And the last one here I have for you guys is what we call color.adobe.com. You see, adobecolor.com is the great things about this particular one website here is that it's classified the color into different category. We have analogs, monochromatic, and trinad and complementary, stuff like that, and etc. to the custom one. Okay, now you can decide to leave this is already on analog. Okay, so you can decide to choose monochromatic. So if you select on that, it's going to change the color wheel. You see, it's going to change the color wheel. You're going to have something like this, and you can decide to switch back to analogs if this is much complicated for you to understand. And then you can scroll down. When you scroll down, you see more color as far as this color wheel is concerned. You can decide to move around with the color wheel. So you can decide to move around to control the wheel. The more you control the wheel, the more the color will move. So you can see it right here. Now you can decide to copy each of the color code at the bottom right here. You can, all you have to do is to highlight. So when you highlight, you can copy the color code and use it for your graphic. So one more thing is that you can as well control the color code from this point here. Just slide the color slider, and it's going to reflect. You can move this color slider. It's going to reflect at the top of A to E right here. And one more thing you can do right here, you can come here. You can decide to switch from Cmyk color to RGB. All you have to do is to come right here. So you click on RGB. So if you want to HSB, choose HSB, and also you can choose a lab color. These are the best way to understand more color. All you have to do, guys, is to take your time, understand this basic color highlights on the website. You can use it to practice, do a lot of practice. As many as possible, you'll be able to understand more and more as far as color is concerned, as far as in graphic. Color is very much important because color make your design more attractive. I hope you guys can find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe, so whenever I upload content about graphic topic, you get notified and you watch the video. Lastly but not the least, if you have question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.